So it's Sunday, and of course I gotta bring you a Sunday quickie. But my Sunday quickie today will be on removing the oil pan from the Subaru engine that I will be using to rebuild and put on my Forester out there. I'm also hopefully gonna remove the oil pump, but we'll see how that goes. First though, let's get that oil pan off. Now this engine has been fully drained, and oh, I need a cup. Oh, there we are. Look at that. My trusty small magnetic cup for holding the bolts. Ah, these things are great. Well, let's get you on there. There we go. This should not take very long, and then we'll peel her up and take a look. Don't know if I'll have time in this video to do the oil pump, but you never know. And of course, I'm using my Impact cordless, and I didn't get that one on. There's too much crap there. Wow. Here is a lot of crap I gotta blow away before I pull this pan up. So, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Holy crap. That was enough, but not terrible. Let me blow away the crap, and then we'll get the pan up. So let's do this, blowing away the crap in super slow-mo action. So here we go. Well, let's test her out first. Yes, so here we go. Super slow-mo action. Oh, no, I don't know how to do that in editing yet. So it'll be normal speed. Yeah, normal speed. So there's a lot of good places here to pry on. So there we go. Didn't even need a hammer. So let's chuck that there. And let's get her up and out somehow. And there we go. And wow, the inside of this. What can I say? Oh yeah, they just used whoever did it last. Just put on some RTV. You know what? I'm gonna take the pipe off, and this is neat. It's actually got one of those shields on it. So this is use words. This actually has the baffle in it. I didn't think these ones had the baffle in them. This might be an oil pan from a... No, maybe not. Maybe they did have a baffle. Does anybody know? I'm not sure. That's just it. Let me take off the tube, and let me see if I can get you in there closer on the other side. There we go. We're a little closer on the other side, and this shouldn't be too hard. That goes there. And oh my word, let's almost drop that into the engine. Oh my word. Oh, what am I, stupid? Let's not drop that one in. And there we go. Okay, there's nothing in I just bent the screen like an idiot with my thumb, but there's nothing in her, and she looks good. Let me just get out these other ones here. And yes, and this engine was drained, if I forgot to mention it earlier. Down here. Make sure I don't mix these up. And I dropped that one. Great. I dropped that one. That's why they make magnets, right? I can't believe I just dropped one. Or maybe I can believe that I just dropped it. And there we go. Where did that one go? I need a magnet. Let me grab a magnet quick. There really ain't much to these, is there? And I got her. Woohoo! Okay. Always be accounted for all the screws in your engine inside. Let me get a quick look at the inside, and that should be it. Pause. So there we go. Look at the inside. Yeah, that's I don't have much light in there right now. It looks okay. It does look okay. And you know what I wish I could do? I wish I could split the engine and take it all apart, change all the bearing caps and all of the, you know, change all the caps. Who knows? Maybe it'll come down to that. Maybe next video? No, probably not. I got other things to do. I actually, well, you'll see. Sunday quickie done on a Saturday. Thanks for watching.